In sales, when I first started, I was meeting maybe 30% of my sales goal. And I can say now, after a year, I am now at 135% of my sales goal. I am exceeding it. And I did do the training with Lisa as well, which was a wonderful experience, if I'm being honest. I learned so much in that one-day session that I think I could have learned in a month of just trying to figure out what to do on my own. From both strategy development, but also one-on-one personal trainings with the sales teams, walking them through how to best optimize their time for new business development, but also how to manage priorities throughout the pipeline or the sales process, even when it comes to proposal development, or the best responses you can give for reaching out to clients. Even sales team members who might have been in the game for 10 years, they are really flexible to meet the needs of what your team is requiring and to try to meet your goals. They really do care about your success. They kind of become an extension of the company itself. She's invested in our success as much as she would be her own.